మా వాయిస్ అవ్వట్లేదు కదా. Sorry, I'm in mute. Okay, now are you able to hear me? Uh, Ravi, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, then fine. So yesterday we are discussing about the operators, and also we discussed arithmetic operators and comparison operators. Now the JavaScript assignment operator. Okay, so whenever you want to assign any value to the variable, so then we have to use the equal to operator. We have to use the equal to operator. So the assignment operator equal to is used with a with numeric values to assign a value to a variable. So if you want to assign any value to the any variable, so then you have to use the equal to operator. Okay, so there are various ways to assign the value to a variable. Okay, first one, so we can directly assign a value. First one, we can directly assign a value. So then after that addition, after adding assign a value. So then after that subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay. Yes, today I can provide you all these classes. So I think CSS and HTML I already provided. So you can check in group, Ramesh. Okay. Okay. So then assignment operator, we can see the example now. Same value, same code I'm taking. So then creating a new file. So then 10.html. Okay. So then now you can see it here. So x equal to and y equal to x equal to 10 and y equal to 10. Okay, x equal to 20, y equal to 10. So then, so after assigning the what is x value, now x equal to 20. So then where result equal to okay. So before that, I am assigning the value where x equal to y, x equal to y, so x equal to y. Okay. So then I am appending the value. Now what is the x value? Now what is the x value here? So when I print the x value, removing all this. So now x value is colon, right? So then what is the x value? So initially x value is 20. Now x value is, so after assigning the value to x equal to y, JS, right? JS 10.html, right? X value is 10 because we are assigning the value to, we are assigned the value to y value to x value. Okay. So now after assigning, so right hand side value, there is no change in the right hand side value. Only left hand side value can change. Okay, when we assign, only left hand side value can change. Okay, whatever y value is there, so that y value can append, then replace to x value. So initially x value is 20. After assigning y value to x, so then x value is 10. So same thing. So we can also add. So now after this one, x equal to x plus y. Now tell me, so what is the x value here? Tell me what is the x value here? Anyone, Ramesh or Teja? So here
X
x
value is
value is,
20.
so then after
Total 30.
20, right? So why
Yeah, X value
total
20.
30?
Five value.
No, no, no. Tell me, so how 30? So here I am
Both
assigning x
adding.
plus y, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Huh?
X plus y
What
equal
is the x value here? X plus y equal to how much?
30, sir.
Is 30 or 20?
30, sir.
Sure.
Sure, sir.
I'm saying 20. Here I am saying 20. X value is 20.
Yes, sir.
Why? So I am not saying after adding only x value is 20.
Yes,
After adding x value is 20.
yes, sir.
Tell me why? So because of here we are assigning y value to x. Now here x value is 10 only. Right? We already print here. Okay. So then after that 10 plus y value 10. 10 plus 10 20. Okay. So these are the assignment operators. So having bit confusion. So no guys. Okay.
Okay.
So if you
Okay.
won't write, if you can comment this one, so if you can comment this, if I can comment this one, now x value is 30 because of I cannot assign any value to x. Right. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you can see x value is
Yes, sir.
30. Okay. So that is the one. So then same thing. So x minus 1. So we are doing arithmetic operations, then assigning the value to that one. So same thing x minus 1. So what is the value here? X minus y. 30 minus 10. 20 we are getting. Okay. So then same thing. So we are having the x into y, by by y and x percentile y. So we are getting, so we can do all these operations. Okay. Clear? So then after multiplication. So then after division. So then after percentage. After percentage. So then after divide, divide. Then after multiplication. So then after subtraction, subtraction. After addition. Now you can see. So first x value is 20. So then after addition 30. So then after subtraction now it is 20. So then after multiplication, so above x value is 20, 20 into 10, 200. Okay. So then x value after divide 200 by 10. Okay. So then again 20. So then percentile is 0. Okay. Because of there is no remainder.
Reminder.
So remainder is 0. That's why. Okay. Clear. So that is the assignment operator. So the next one is the next one. So assignment logical operator. Logical operator. So logical operators where we can use. So when we compare two values, so at the time, so when we compare two variables or two values, at the time we can use the logical operator. Okay, here we are having the three logical operators and are and also not. Okay, so whenever you are using the and value, whenever you are using the and value, so both the condition must be satisfied. Both the conditions must be satisfied. Okay, so whenever we are using the or operator, so if any one is satisfied, if any condition is satisfied, then that returns true. Okay, not means both the conditions are not true. Okay, so now so we can see these things. What is this one? Same thing, copy 11.html. What is this operator? Logical operators. So then x equal to 20, y equal to 10. X equal to 20, y equal to 10. So when we use this operators, logical operators, so if you want to combine, two conditions, here we can use the conditions also. Now see, document dot write, or otherwise if we can use the if condition here, if x greater than y, then document dot write x value is greater than y. So instead of writing this one, so we can write in this way also. Okay, we can add the direct values instead of x and y. X, then value is greater than y. Okay, now you can see I didn't write any operators, any logical operators here. 11.html. Okay, 20 value is greater than 10. So first suppose if the value is not greater than, for suppose here x value is 10, here x value is 10. Now you can see we didn't get any result because of 20 value is not greater than, right? 10 value is not greater than the 10, right? So that's why, so we didn't write any else condition here. So we will know, so after when we go to the conditions topic. So now we are using, so for single condition we cannot use any logical operators. If you want to combine two conditions, then only we can use the logical operators. Now this is one condition, so sorry. Then and so this is another condition. So x is less than or equal to, x is greater than or equal to y. Okay, here also we can use the x greater than y. So now we can see here two conditions. Here we are following two conditions. Now it is a 20. Okay. See, here two conditions must be true. X greater than y. Alright. So x value is greater than y. Okay, x value is more than y. Okay. So second condition is either x value is greater or equal to a condition. So which condition also? So it is satisfied. Both the condition is satisfied. Okay. Here x value is greater than y. Okay, so that's why we are using the and operator. Now you can see same thing here I am applying x value is greater than y, or x value greater than or equal to. So for this one, it is we are getting the value. So for suppose whenever I am changing this one 10, 10, so I didn't get any result because of, so whenever we are using and condition, both the conditions must be satisfied. Okay, now here I can put the R condition. Okay, pipe symbol. X value is greater than R, R greater than or equal to, equal. Okay, now this condition is false, but this condition is satisfied because of x equal to y. Okay, now see, we are getting the result. What happened? No errors. Here we are using and I think it is not saved. See now, 10 value is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so here only one condition is satisfied. So which condition it is? Greater than or equal to. Okay, so this way we can use the logical operators. This way we can use the logical operators. Okay, so then not. So when we use the most probably we can use these conditions. Okay, most probably we can use these conditions and are these conditions we can clear. So these are the logical operators. So mostly we are using these logical operators when we are using the looping statement or conditional statements. So those statements, in that statements only we are using. Okay, so we are combining the conditional operators in the, sorry, we are combining the assignment operators in the conditional statements only. So at that time, so if you want to combine two conditions, we can use the logical operators. Okay, so more than one condition, then we can use the logical operators. Clear? Okay, so next one is JavaScript string operator. So here logical operators completed. So then string operator. So then there are two operators which can also be used for string. Can also be used for a string. So for suppose if you want to concatenate two strings, if you want to combine two strings, so then we can use the plus symbol, plus operator. If you want to combine two strings, okay, so that is called string concatenation. Okay, so if you want to combine two strings, then we can use the plus operator. Html string operator. So x equal to 10. So then y equal to 10. Y equal to then 50. Okay. So then now, so if you want to combine these things, okay, document dot get, sorry, document dot write. So then here, so how we can write x plus y? What is the answer here? X plus y. Tell me what is the answer here? Is that 60 or how much?
1050 is a string, sir.
It's a string, so we are getting the combining
Then
those two. 12. Okay, 1050. Okay, because of those two are strings.
Strings.
So that's why we are getting like that. Okay. So if it is a numeric values, if it is a integer, so then both can add. So we'll get the 60 is the result. Okay, this way we can combine. So not only this one, so we can add the text also. Okay, so for this way also. Okay, so this way we can add the strings, we can combine the strings, string concatenation. So now, so another operator is, so we can add this string, and assigning to the x or y value. Okay, so then document dot write. So then here x equal to x plus y. Okay, so previously how we did assignment, so same thing. Okay, clear? So this is the way we can do this string operator. So only plus symbol is the to concatenate the string operators. Okay, so the next one is increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators are used to increment a variable value or decrement a variable value. So here having the big confusion. So first one is the pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement. So carefully observe, pre-increment increments the x by 1, then return the x value. That means, so after increment, then x value, so it will return the x value. So post increment, first it returns the x value, so then it increments by 1, then it returns increment by 1. Now you can see I have a x value here. What is this concept? Increment and decrement, right? Decrement operators. Now I have a x value 10. So then y value is 15. Okay. So then now you can see it here. So document dot write x plus x. Okay. So then what is the value here? The value here. Tell me. So then document dot write. So then x x plus plus. So then what is the value here? Tell me.
Yeah.
Here what is the value and what is the x value? So both the things. X value after pre increment. So then plus here is the post increment, right? Okay. So then I am executing. That's it. What happened? Okay. So pre-increment. Now you can tell where it is missing. Line number 11. Sorry. Well, so I'm placing one BR here. Document dot write BR. See now. See now. So X value after pre-increment 11, X value after post-increment 11. Why? Why both the values are same? So okay, then fine. So here if we have a confusion, I can use the Y value here after post increment. Okay. So now you can see what is the X value and Y value now here. X value is 11 and Y value is 15. Because of for pre-increment, so after increment by 1 only, then it returns the X value. But post increment, first it returns the Y value, so then after that it is increment. So after increment, if you can print the value, Y value is, so then you can see only Y we are having. Now what is the value here? Either 16 or 15.
15.
15 or 16.
15, sir. 15.
It is coming 16, right? Why?
Okay. Break.
Because of here we are printing the value after here we are printing the value when while doing the post increment. So here already Y value incremented. After this condition, Y value is increased. Okay, Y value increased by 1. Okay, that means here
1.
16 is there. Okay, here
15 plus
16
1.
is there. Okay, clear? So that is the pre-increment and post-increment. Okay, now you can see. So pre-decrement and post-decrement. Okay, X value after pre-decrement. Then the post-decrement. So then Y minus minus. Y minus minus. So then
Yes.
plus
Minus minus.
Y. Minus
Minus.
minus Y. So here before this value, sorry, X value. So before this value, X value is 11, right? So here X value is 11. X value is 11. 11 before doing the pre-decrement. Okay, right? Because of here we are doing the pre-increment, right? So then now X value is 11 here, and here Y value is before doing that decrement operator, value is 16, right? So here we are having the 16. Now tell me, so what is the Y value here? What is the Y value after doing the post decrement, after pre decrement? What is the X value?
Like, 9. 11, sir. 10, sir.
9
X
or
10.
10?
X
Okay, X
10.
10. Y
And, okay.
15.
15.
15 or 16?
Times Y value only 15, sir.
15 or
15.
16?
15, sir. Decrement.
15. Okay. Okay.
Y value.
Y value after post decrement is 16. So what we are saying here, first it returns the Y value. First it returns the Y value. What is Y
Y
value
value.
here? Before doing 16. First it returns the 16. So then after that, after returning only, then only it is decreasing the value. So then you can print now Y value is, after doing this operation, now the Y
11.
value is 15. Okay. Okay, clear? So this is the post and pre-decrement, and post increment and pre-increment. Okay. So what we are saying here, so first for pre-increment, first it increments by 1, so then it returns the x value. So for post increment, first it returns the x value, so then after that it can increment by 1. Okay,
But
after returning only, so it will increment by 1. So pre-increment or decrement, first it is increasing or decreasing by 1. Then after that, it is returning the value for pre-increment. So post-increment, so first it returns the value. Then after that, it returns the x value. So that is the one. So don't confuse here. Okay. So this is the increment and decrement. Then JavaScript events. JavaScript event, most important concept. Okay, so why JavaScript is more popular? Because of this events only. Okay, so it acts as a user